Hi everyone, this is Yoko. 皆さんこんにちは、Yoko です。Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday. Last several lessons we talked about how to use kara in different ways. Today, we're going to look at how to use kara with te form of verbs. Let's get right into it. To describe an event after which another thing happens, you can use te form of a verb and kara. For example, 食べてから勉強します。食べて is a te form of a verb 食べる to eat. You can attach から to the te form of 食べる which is 食べて。食べてから after I eat. 食べてから勉強します。Let's take a look at another example. 勉強してからテレビを見ました。I watched TV after I studied. 勉強して is a te form of a verb 勉強する to study. You can attach から to 勉強して which is a te form of 勉強する。勉強してから after I studied. 勉強してからテレビを見ました。I watched TV after I studied. The tense of the sentence depends on the verb at the end of the sentence. In this sentence, 勉強してからテレビを見ました。見ました watched is in the past tense, which means 勉強してから is also in the past tense, after I studied. 勉強してからテレビを見ました。I watched TV after I studied. Alright, how was it? Thank you for watching and see you next time. それではまた次回お会いいたしましょう。さようなら。